I bought one Bitcoin at $20,000 earlier this year, and I'm looking to sell it for some shorter term profit. And I say shorter term because I'm not a day trader, I'm not an hourly trader, I'm not even a weekly trader, but over the course of months, I'm looking to make some decent profit using Bitcoin with no leverage. But here's the secret sauce. If I were to mess up, and let's say Bitcoin at the end of the year is 15,000, 17,000, something that doesn't really sound too good to take a loss on, I have the ability to shift my mindset and add that Bitcoin to my long-term holds. I'd rather not do that because right now I'm trying to stack some cash. But just like I did back in 2017, I was able to take a look at the market, realize that if I were to sell that Bitcoin at that moment, I would take a massive loss. And instead, I know, because I believe in the fundamentals, I've been researching Bitcoin for a number of years now, that all I need to do is hold on to it for a few more years and it'll be back in the profit. And as we know from historical records, when you hold Bitcoin through a bear market into the following bull market, we're not talking small gains. Yeah, it might be small compared to the 1000x new altcoin that came out, but in traditional finance, this is still a fantastic percentage that you're looking to gain historically. So right now, it wouldn't surprise me if sometime in August, we see a dip down in the price of Bitcoin back down to about the 21,000 price level. If it holds the 21,000 price level and bounces up from there and it breaks the 25,500 mark, I'm optimistic that the price should be reaching 27 to even 28,000. From there, the price could continue into the low 30,000s. However, I'm not looking to play that game. I'm looking to sell it at about 27 to 28,000, making somewhere between $7,000 and $8,000 in profit over the course of just a couple of months. With that being said, I still have a little bit of Ethereum that isn't part of my moon bag that I intend on trading in the shorter term as well. The short-term ETH bag has about 8 Ethereum in it that I was able to grab at about $1,700 on average. Because I feel that there is a higher percentage gain to be had and a higher likelihood to obtain that gain in Ethereum, especially with all this hype surrounding the Ethereum merge coming on September 15th or 16th, somewhere in there. So with that line of thinking, I would be locking in those profits on Bitcoin, which is important to me because going into winter, it is my main career's off season, so there's not going to be as much income. But also on the chance that we do see another major downturn, I would be able to reinvest those profits for further gains. And with my Ethereum trade, it's more or less going to be centered around time, around when the merge actually launches, rather than a certain price point. And for Ethereum, I'm probably looking to sell anywhere between a week before the actual merge to about 2 or 3 days before the merge.